5 minutes to fix Canon LBP6230dn printer pulling paper continuously when you only print one page. If your printer has this issue, make sure to watch the whole video to see how I fix it. You'll be able to fix this issue even if you're not a printer technician. When you print one page, the paper feed system keeps running instead of stopping after pulling just one sheet. As a result, the mechanism keeps feeding another sheet, which causes a paper jam. Please follow along as I show you how to fix the paper jam issue when the Canon LBP6230dn keeps pulling paper continuously. This is the paper feed clutch. On this clutch, there is a small foam pad. After a period of use, this foam pad gets worn out. Normally, when you send a print command, the clutch engages once and then releases, allowing the printer to pull exactly one sheet of paper. However, when the foam pad deteriorates, it fails to release the upper metal plate it keeps holding it tightly. As a result, the paper feed system continues running, pulls in an extra sheet, and causes a paper jam. The second sheet will always be blank, with no content. This is a typical symptom of a faulty clutch, so please take note. Solution: reseat the clutch by attaching a thin piece of foam or a small strip of plastic like from a file folder to replace the worn-out pad. As for me, I used a piece of transfer belt from a photocopier to patch it. After fixing it once, I'll never face this problem again, because this material is extremely durable. I made use of an old, damaged transfer belt from a Ricoh photocopier. Use a good quality double-sided tape to ensure strong adhesion. Before attaching it to the clutch, make sure to thoroughly clean the surface. If you're watching the video, please support me by subscribing to the channel, liking, and sharing it. That's the motivation for me to create even more high-quality videos to share with you all. And don't forget to let me know where you're watching from. I'm very happy to connect and share with all of you around the world. Wishing you all success, happiness, and peace. This is how the clutch should properly engage and release. All done, everyone. Now, the paper feed system pulls exactly one sheet when you print one page. Thank you all for watching. Now, let me say goodbye and see you soon in the next videos. Please support me by subscribing to the channel, liking, and sharing this video. Love you all very much.